Good morning, traders. John from Crypto Candlestick Trading. About 10:40 at the moment, and just looking at Bitcoin. As we can see, we've got a line here that we can kind of draw pretty confidently. It sort of matches up with a lot of other tops and bottoms. Here we're kind of all scattered. We've got resistance here, breakthrough, found support in that area, breakthrough, found resistance, and then resistance again. And then so this has found support, and so here looks like we're on our way down from resistance to support. But having a look at this in another way, like a little bit closer, we can see that the 50-day moving average has come down, and we're now resting on that 50-day moving average and previous resistance. So it's come down to that support line, gone up, hit resistance, back to that support line, up at resistance, back down here to the 50. And then we've taken off up to resistance, which has been lasting quite some time. So, where are we going to go? We're going to bounce off the 50 and head up, or we're going to keep on coming down and, hit this support line? Or are we going to go sideways until who knows what we're going to do? We just, trade what we get, what the market offers, and that's it, really. And at the moment, it's in the middle. So we can't really trade anything. I do like to trade off support and off resistance, but, this is a channel line and we're in the middle of it. We've got the 50 down here and the 200 up there. I'll get rid of all those drawings just so we can kind of see it a bit better. Here, so we found support on the 50, gone up, found support on the 50 again. So far, we do have declining selling volume on the lows down there. So stochastics are oversold. Anyway, this could be part of the whole making highs, higher lows and higher highs. But like rejection off the 50 there, off the 200, and now on the 50. So it'll be interesting to see what we do, where we go. A little bit of reversal there, but I mean, we can see like it's gone. This has a massive downtrend. As we can see there, it's popped up above the downtrend, and now it's closed below the 50 and the downtrend. So does that mean more downside? It kind of looks it. We also see that there's an uptrending line here as well, and it's broken below that. So we've got 1, 2, 3 touches, break below. So it's looking quite good for the downside. But who knows what's going to happen? It's Bitcoin really that we need to focus our attention on. And here, it's kind of gone short now, resting at the 50. What are we going to do? We're going to break through the 50, or we'll wait and see. Here we go, FTM. So I've got a short in FTM. I've entered twice, I believe, and I've got one from about there, another one somewhere around here. So we'll wait and see what happens there too. Matic, not much. But, like, look at this. It's attempted, broken above the 50, found support, big breakthrough, big volume. And now we're kind of hovering around the 50. So, this could go anywhere. This could, absolutely plummet. It could go down to support, which is not far below it. Let me find that. And that's what, let's say, around about, I don't know, down there somewhere. You could probably move it around and get a better place for it. Somewhere around there. Anyway, so if it comes down to support down to here, we could bounce off that. Each time we come down to support, we bounce off it nicely. And also, if we look at this now, the bounces have gotten higher. So by definition, we've got a low, a higher low, and a higher high. This one here, would have been better if it found support here and didn't come below that, but so this is showing weakness. But we'll wait and see. So far it's below the 50. It's above that downtrending line. Did I just draw one of those on here? Let's just have a look at that. I don't think I did. But I can see something there. So it's kind of, I don't know, somewhere around there. Got, a touch, 1, 2, 3 touches, almost, and almost back there, and we're going to touch here and a breakthrough. So now, it would make sense that this may come down to here and find support. It'd have two reasons to be finding support down here. And it's below the 50. So, is it going to break the 50 and go above it? Or is it going to come back down and find support again, which it's done many times? Who knows? One thing it's done is broken out of this, so it could do anything. Could take off. I don't know. I just don't like Bitcoin at the moment, sitting in where it's sitting. And look at this. So here we've got dot, low, high, higher low, and a higher high. We've come back down. We've found support on previous resistance. So, but this isn't, this is not a reversal. At the moment, this is a harami saying that the selling has stopped. It doesn't mean reversal at this stage. It just means that the selling has stopped. So, look at that massive reversal. almost reversal, massive reversal. Excuse my cat. She's 21 years old. She just wants a pat. Down the bottom, up, down. Yeah, same again. Just Bitcoin. Like it's so here as it's broken above the 50, which is good. Now it's come back down above the 50 again. Found support on the 50. Buying in around here. You could be buying a lot of different places in here. Gone up there, found resistance. Come back down, found support on the 50 and previous resistance. So stochastics are oversold. This isn't a reversal at this stage. This is a Harami saying that the buying has stopped. We need more confirmation to say that it's a reversal. So at this stage, I'm still thinking that there's a good chance that we could, hit these lines at some stage, break through, hit these lines. Whether we break, in great fashion or just sideways consolidation sort of stuff. We can see here this is a sideways choppy market. It's just not much fun. Not much fun to be trading anyway. And we know the support. Institutional support is down here where this big block buying started. Somewhere around in these areas here. We could almost draw a kind of a box for it there like that, So anywhere in here, that will be the support line for institutional investors. So, we can take that out to there and, if it comes back down to here, I'll be watching this area down here because this is the big block buying. A lot of financial decisions were made at this price here. So we'll wait and see. Anyway, traders, I hope you have a good weekend. And if you have any problems with your charts, need any help with anything, let me know. Happy to talk. See you later.